Okay, this is Mike in the Cat 257, kids. He is going to be showing us how a grapple bucket works. Mike, do you have anything to say to us?
Hi, kids. Sure could use some help around here.
Oh, he's looking for some drivers, I think. All right, start her up. Let's see how that baby works. Nana will be following him to take some pictures. He has all his protective gear on. Has a little seat belt in there. Watch this. All these trees were cut down. Mike's going in with this grapple bucket. He picks it up. Look it! He picked up the whole pile. Wow! Look at that! Oh my gosh, I better get out of the way. Oh my gosh, can you even see the cat? Look, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He's gonna bring that over to the burn pile. All right.